This is the first thing you should care when you set up your sharpening station. That's right, the lighting is one of the most important things, yet often neglected. If you can't see, you can't sharpen properly. And the brightness is not the only thing. Shadow. You really want to control the shadow. Bright light coming from the wrong direction, casting strong shadow between the edge line and the stone face, it doesn't really help. So use whatever you can. Even candlelight will help. Seriously. Put down the blade on the stone face and move it around. Also move the light source. There is no fixed rule. As long as you can see what you want to see, it works. For example, I switch my hand from right to left, left to right. So I have to move the light source around. There are tools that can help you to see better. Better observation means better result. And who cares if you look dorky wearing one of those things or two of those things? Also, don't be discouraged by small working space. As you can see, my countertop is only 24 inches by 30 inches. Not exactly a large space, but I can do most of my sharpening here. There is a way to make it work. Although, you probably have to get a little bit creative. I was going to make a new sink bridge for this small sink. And I measured it. I even made a template from cardboard. And I was ready to go to tap plastic to get it made. And then I realized that I can actually use my old homemade sink bridge. As you can see, Naniwa sink bridge doesn't work. The sink is simply too small. Even at its shortest setting, Naniwa sink bridge wouldn't fit in there. But my old homemade sink bridge, which is made out of 1-inch thick HDPE plate. HDPE stands for high density polyethylene. And I strongly recommend using a 1-inch thickness. Don't cheap out and use a thin plate, because they do flex. 1-inch thickness is fine. Well, I guess that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.